So are you also running a toy repair shop business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your toy repair shop business. So over here also I'm running a toy repair shop business, and we also regularly receive our leads and customer messages on WhatsApp, and replying to those same questions over and over again is such a time consuming and a tedious task, right? So to solve this problem, I've simply created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now what is going to happen is, whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply would be sent towards that user. That too without any manual efforts. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we'll create a WhatsApp chatbot for your toy repair shop using Pabbly Chatflow. So this bot is going to answer some most common questions like repair a toy, pickup service and cleaning service options. It helps you to reduce the response time, improve customer experience and keep your business running smoothly, even outside your business hours. So let's get started with automating your toy repairing shop. And to get started, we are going to simply start with a really simple example. Let's say I'm just going to message this number hey right over here, and as soon as we are going to message them hey, it is saying hi there, thanks for reaching out to Toy Fix Hub, where broken toys get the second chance at life. To get started, may I have your full name please? Alright, so I'm just going to enter my full name right over here, which is testing user. So I'm just going to send them this full name, and now they are saying welcome to Toy Fix Hub, your trusted toy repair experts. We are excited to help you bring your favorite toys back to life. What would you like to do today? So over here you can see I have got three options. Let's say I'm just going to select it as cleaning service. So I'm just going to select this cleaning service. It is saying toys look a little dusty or stained. We offer deep cleaning and sanitization. So over here, let's say that I want them to pick up my toys. So I'm just going to select this pickup service right over here. And over here you are going to see it is saying no time to visit, no worries, share your location. So as soon as I'm just going to share my location to them, they are going to come and pick up my toy. So yes, you can see over here I've had a proper conversation with this chatbot which we created. So yes, you can see this is the amazing automation, or you can see WhatsApp chatbot we are going to create today for toy repair shop business. And if you also want to create this amazing chatbot for your toy repair shop, then for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, we simply have to open a new tab, and we have to search for www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So I'm just going to search for this, which is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So I'm just going to search for it right over here. Now after opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow account, we are going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free, and you are going to get free trial of Pabbly Chatflow account. But over here I'm an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this sign in, and as soon as we are going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate WhatsApp conversations effortlessly, right? So I'm simply going to click on this access now given right over here. And as soon as we're going to click on this access now, it is going to open my Pabbly Chatflow account's dashboard. And over here, you can see that this is the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we first have to add a WhatsApp number in our Pabbly Chatflow account. And in order to add a WhatsApp number, we simply have to go towards this blue button given right over here which says add WhatsApp number. And now we have to enter the meta access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. And to get all of these three, we first have to create a WhatsApp Cloud API setup. And in order to learn how to create a WhatsApp Cloud API setup step by step and add a WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chatflow account, I have attached a video in the description box below. You can refer refer that. You're going to get a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a WhatsApp Cloud API account and add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account effortlessly. You can refer to that video, and if you have any more queries after watching that video, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. Alright, so as you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number in my Pabbly Chatflow account. So I'm directly going to move on further in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot. And in order to do this, we are simply going to go towards this left side of the bar, towards this flows section. So I'm just going to open the flows section of my Pabbly Chatflow account, and then we are simply going to click on this blue button which says add flow right over here. And now as soon as you are going to click on add flow, a window like this will appear in front of you. Over here you have to start the flow, and to start the flow you have three options. The first one is to enter the keywords, the another one is to enter the regex, and the third one is to choose a template. So if you want to start this flow with the help of a template, you can click on this choose template button, select one template and start the flow with the help of that template, which is that as soon as your user is going to reply to that template, the flow is going to get triggered. Or you can also start this flow with regex. So what is going to happen is you simply have to enter the regex right over here, which are regular expressions, where what is going to happen is that as soon as your user is going to send you a long message which contains some specific keywords, automatically with the help of the regex you can match that keywords and trigger your chatbot. But today we are going to start this chatbot with the help of keywords only. So I'm just going to enter some most commonly used keywords right over here, which is hello, hey and hi. And in order to enter the keywords, we first have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. If you want to add the keyword, it is really important that you type the keyword and press enter. Otherwise, the keyword will not be added. So as you can see that I've successfully entered three most commonly used keywords, which is hello, hi and hey. Okay, so I want to trigger my chatbot with the help of these keywords only. If you wish, you can definitely enter some specific keywords or regex which you want. Alright, so now we are going to move on forward. After setting up this flow start, we are going to move on forward. Now what I want is, let's see, as soon as my user is going to message me, the first message I want to send them is this, which is I want to ask them for their full name. And to ask them for their full name, I'm just going to open my Pabbly Chatflow account, and over here I'm just going to go towards this actions, and over here you can see ask question button. So we are simply going to drag and drop this ask question and connect it with this flow start. And now I'm just going to enter the message I want to send to my user in order to ask them for their full name. So yes, you can see that I've successfully entered the message right over here for the full name. Now we are going to move forward. I'm just going to select the contact custom field right over here. But before selecting the contact custom field, I'm just going to show you what contact custom field is. And in order to do this, we are simply going to go towards this left side of the bar, towards the settings, and over here you can see contact custom field. So I'm just going to open this in a new tab. So this is an amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow account, that you can create some contact custom fields, and you can simply open this window and create the contact custom field simply by clicking on this add more field button. So as you can see that I've already created many contact custom fields right over here, and also you can see that I have created a field name full name. So I'm just going to use this only right over here in my chatbot. So I'm just going to select my contact custom field as full name right over here. And now it is asking me to select the format of the reply. So the full name is always in text format, right? So I'm simply going to select it as text right over here. So if you wish, you can definitely give multiple number of attempts, but I'm only going to give them one attempt, so I've kept it as one. And now it is asking me to enter the validation message. So if you wish, you can definitely enter a validation message right over here, but this is not required, so we can leave it as blank too. Now we are going to move forward. After asking them for their full name, what I want is that as soon as they're going to send me their full name, I am going to offer them some most commonly asked questions message. All right, so I'm just going to send them this message. For that, we simply have to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button. And now I'm just going to enter the message I want to send them after they share their full name. So yes, this is the message I'm just going to send them, which is also a welcome message. And in the end of the message, you can see it is saying, what would you like to do today? So here I'm just going to add 3 buttons in order to add the most commonly asked queries right over here. And to add the button, we simply have to click on this button right over here, which says add button. And now we have to enter text in all of these buttons. For the first, I'm just going to keep it as repair a toy. For the second, I'm just going to keep it as pickup service. And then for the third, I'm just going to keep it as cleaning service. Now I'm just going to set a message in front of all of these 3 buttons so that whenever my user selects any one of this button, automatically the further message would be sent towards them. First, I'm just going to select a message for repair a toy. So I'm simply going to drag and drop it right over here and select the content type as text plus button. And now I'm just going to enter the message for the same, which is we specialize in repairing all kind of toys. Alright, so I'm just going to add 2 buttons right over here, which is pickup service. So I'm just going to simply add a button right over here for pickup service and the another one for contact us so that they can do the following. Alright, so now after setting a message against this repair a toy, I'm just going to move on further and set up message in front of this pickup service. So what we're going to do is I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button. Now I'm just going to enter the message I want to send if my user selects pickup service. Yes, over here you can see the message, which is no time to visit, no worries, we offer toy pickup services from your home within 24 to 48 hours. Just share your address and we'll take care of the rest. So over here I'm just going to add 2 buttons. One is to share the location. So I'm just going to enter share location right over here because I want that if they want to share the location, they can simply click on this button given right over here. And the another one for contact us. Alright, so now after setting up the message in front of this, we are going to move forward towards the third one, which is cleaning service. I'm just going to drag and drop it, select the content type as text plus button, and now I'm just going to enter the message for cleaning service. So yes, over here you can see that I've successfully entered the message for cleaning service. Once again, I'm just going to add 2 buttons right over here. One would be contact us and the another one would be pickup service. So I'm just going to enter pickup service right over here and the next would be contact us. So yes, over here you can see that I've successfully set it up message in front of all of these 3 options. But over here I've added many more buttons like pickup service, share location and contact us. So what we are going to do is we are going to simply connect these buttons with the messages. So for the pickup service, I've already wrote a message for pickup service. So I'm simply going to connect this button with this. And now over here I'm just going to do same for this cleaning service and then pickup service too. Alright, so now we have successfully set it up this message. Now only 2 buttons are left, which is share location and contact us. So alright, I'm just going to first enter the message for share location. And in order to do that, we have to go towards this actions. And over here, you can see the option of ask location. So we are simply going to drag and drop it right over here and connect it with this share location. And now I'm just going to enter the question message right over here. So yes, you can see that I've successfully entered the message. And now we simply have to select 2 contact custom fields right over here. One would be longitude and the another one would be latitude. So as you can see that I've simply selected this. You can create this longitude and latitude field simply from this contact field section. Alright, so now we are going to move on further. I'm just going to set up message for this contact us too. I'm just simply going to drag and drop this contact us. We're going to successfully set up a message for contact us too. So yes, over here you can see that we have successfully set it up message for contact us too. And now I'm just going to connect this contact us message with all the buttons which said contact us simply by dragging and connecting it like this. So you can connect a single message with multiple buttons. You don't have to set up multiple messages for multiple buttons. Like for contact us, I can simply connect all of these 3 buttons with a single message only, like I did right over here. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our flow. And now what is going to happen is that as soon as my user is going to message me any of this keyword, this flow is going to get triggered. We first are going to ask our user for their full name, then offer them 3 most commonly asked questions, and the chatbot is automatically going to solve their query further. We don't have to do it manually. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this chatbot. So now I'm just going to test this chatbot once. But first, in order to test this chatbot, we first have to save it, right? For that, I'm just going to name this chatbot as toy repair. So I'm just going to name it as toy repair first. So yes, you can see that I've successfully named it as Toy Repair Shop. And now I'm just going to simply click on this button right over here which says save. Now it is saying flow updated successfully. And now in order to test this flow, you first have to keep in mind that this flow should always remain active. This button should always be switched on in order to run this flow in real time. Alright, so now after doing all of this, I'm simply going to test this flow. And to do this, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and we're going to first clear this chat and we're going to start fresh. So now I'm just going to message the bot right over here, which is hey. So I'm just going to type hey and send it. So yes, you can see as soon as we're going to send them the message, it is saying hi there, thank you for reaching out, and the same message, it is asking me for the full name basically. So I'm just going to enter my full name right over here, which is demo user. So I'm just going to enter demo and then user right over here. And I'm just going to send this demo user. And yes, you can see it is saying welcome to Toy Fix Hub. It is giving me the welcome message and the options, which is the most commonly asked questions. Alright, so we're going to test all of these buttons one by one. First, we are going to test this repair a toy. So I'm just going to select repair a toy, and over here it is saying we specialize in repairing all kind of toys. And the two buttons once again. Okay, so I'm just going to test the next first, which is pickup service. So I'm just going to test it right over here, and it is saying no time to visit. No worries. Over here once again it is giving me the two options to share the location or contact us. We are going to test this later. First, I'm just going to test this cleaning service. And yes, over here you can see it is giving me this message. So now I'm just going to test this share location button. So I'm simply going to click on this share location right over here, and it is saying this message can't be shown on WhatsApp web, but you can view this message on your WhatsApp mobile application. So I'm simply going to attach a screenshot of the same right over here. So as you can see that this is the message which we have received, which is great. To schedule your toy pickup, share your current location with us. So I'm simply going to click on this button provided, which is send location, and I'm just going to send my location. So as you can see that I've successfully shared my location right over here. And after sharing my location, what is going to happen is they have got my location. Alright, so now I'm just going to test this contact us to button right over here. And yes, you can see it is also running perfectly fine. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this WhatsApp chatbot, and it is running in real time too. Over here you can see that I have had a proper conversation with this chatbot. So now over here with this we have successfully completed this WhatsApp chatbot, but there is one more amazing feature of this WhatsApp chatbot, and to show you that I'm just going to open my inbox in a new tab. And over here in the inbox you can notice the proper conversation which we had with our WhatsApp chatbot. You can also see the location which we shared. Over here is the latitude and the longitude of that same location. Not only this, you can also check the status of the messages, like when it was sent, when it was delivered, and when it was read by user. You can simply check that status too with the help of this inbox feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this, you know that our user shared their location and their full name. So their location and the full name has been added right over here in the contact custom fields. You can see over here the longitude and latitude have been added, and also the full name has been added, which is demo user. So not only sending and receiving of WhatsApp messages, but this WhatsApp chatbot also allows you to collect your user information, which is a very useful feature, right? So yes, with this we have successfully completed this video and this WhatsApp chatbot too. Now go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own toy repair shop. With the help of same logic, you can just customize it according to your business needs. And right now we are offering free trial of Pabbly Chatflow account, so you can also try it for free. Go try it for yourself too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. Thank you for watching, everyone.
So not only this, but with the help of same logic, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your business needs. So now if you want to contact us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. So now go and create this WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free.